10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Crooked.
There's also live.
What?
Took pretty well, buddy.
歓迎挨拶をもらいます。で、引き続いて、商工会議所会頭の前田様からご挨拶をいただきます。
で、日本の料理とおもてなしの心を堪能され、良き思い出を作っていただきたいと思います。
歓迎のご挨拶がございます。前田様、お願いいたします。
Now representing Sasebo Chamber of Commerce President and SCM Booster Club Chairman
or Japanese brains and personnel of SCD and JMSDL
友人であり、すべての日本人の皆様、会場
Good morning. Welcome to Sasebo.
like one guy fighting like three, and you can't shoot from over there. So you got to get over here and do your job. There we go. Yeah, I can have it. It's out right there.
That's his last.
Hey! Oh, shit! Hey! Get open! Okay! Okay! Get on that first touch. Nobody likes this, but we gotta get used to it. That's you. Dip cover! Hey, get back! Man up! You got the shot! You got the shot!
Good diff, Jim. Move! Sorry, we thought you were on the other side, off the field, so we threw some. Oh! Bang! You're in the... Hey!
One more, look! Okay, hey.
My name is Shinsaku Mae. I'm Lieutenant Commander, NFL type of aircraft basically, CCF-3 Air Staff. I will play to go soccer with Indians and American friendship game match. Yes, very good. I think this event very precious because Indian and American, Japanese friend very expensive for the future. I would like to opening night event, icebreaker, and drinking, eating. That's all.
My name is Bilateral Loma, and I'm servicing Indian Navy. Yes, we play football with American, and it's nice game. We have so many experience. I have enjoyed a lot. They win, but we lose. Next time we'll win. It's a good experience. They are nice people. We play. They are very good.
Lieutenant Robert Rocky Rodriguez, supply officer on board USS Mobile Bay. We're out here as part of the Malabar 2016 exercise. Yeah, today we played 2 games. We have 2 teams. We were able to play a match against the Indian Navy and against the Japanese Navy as well. It was a tough game. First up was the Japanese team. We had some pretty good, some pretty fast speed, small court, something we aren't used to playing. But the team pulled together. Fortunately, we weren't able to pull out the win. We got a draw and went to penalty kicks. It was really tight up until the very end. They managed to sink an extra one in and lost that game. Oh yeah, it was a lot of fun. It's a good chance for the guys to get out from the ship. A good opportunity to get together and play a sport, a competitive sport. Yeah, so Mobile Bay is going to be the U.S. ship representative for Malabar. On board we have the John C. Stennis Strike Group Air Defense Commander, Captain McLaren, and we're going to host a lot of the exercises to continue building the. So yeah, it's a good opportunity for the U.S. to conduct joint exercises and improve interoperability with foreign navies. It's it's a good opportunity for our folks to interact with other cultures, get some of their customs and courtesies, find out what our common issues are, and enjoy a competitive game, a competitive sport with other countries. Yeah, there's Japanese and Indian navies have the same challenges and the same goals. You know, maintaining security in the area, and kind of the personal sacrifices that we make going on deployment and doing exercises in defense of our countries.